Kit Kat. There's still our little baby girl, too. Hi, Gizmo. Hello. They've been just watching over us. This morning, Kit Kat was trying to match Ruby's cries when we changed her diaper. I'm just watching her.
Oh, hi.
Hello.
She's just been a delight.
I know.
to
She
say
had
the
some
least.
naked tummy time with Daddy,
Skin to skin.
skin to skin.
She didn't try breastfeeding that
No.
one. She was good.
She didn't get lost in the hair. Hi. Hi, baby.
Oh. Oh, goodness.
So many things are happening to your body. You just cut her nails or filed them for the first time.
She's like 33 hours old right now.
Mm-hmm. Hi. Hi, baby girl. Hi. Hi.